Another example, that is example 4. Example 4, it goes, solve the simultaneous equations. Solve the simultaneous equations. Solve the simultaneous equations. Solve the simultaneous equations. We have got 2 power x plus 3 power y plus 3 power y equals 5, and 2 power x plus 3, 2 power x plus 3 minus 3 power y plus 2 equals 23. Equals 23. Our questions goes, solve the simultaneous equations. 2 power x plus 3 power y equals 5, and 2 power x plus 3, 2 power x plus 3 minus 3 power y plus 2 equals 23. So what I'm going to do, first observe here, there is an element of the laws of what? Indices from the second equation. So first look at that element there. So 2 power x plus 3 minus 3 power y plus 2 equals 23. So what we're going to do, when these ones came from multiplication, that's why they added the powers. So this is the same as 2 power x times 2 power 3 minus 3 power y times 3 power 2 equals 23. 2 power 3 is the same as 8. So this is the same as 8 into 2 power x minus 9 into 3 power y equals 23. So you can see now 2 power x is common. You can start by saying let 2 power x equals p and 3 power y equals r. So what are we going to do? Why you see 2 power x put a p, this one is going to become p plus r equals 5. I can say this is the first equation. Again, this one here, we are now this, which I have already tried to reduce, maybe you can call it star, in that equation star. It is going to be, when there is 2 power x, you put a p, this becomes 8p minus 9r equals 23. This is the second equation. So we are free to use any method of solving simultaneous equation. We can either use the elimination method, or we can use substitution method, or we can use matrix method. Any depends on what is good for you. But for this case, I will simply use what we call elimination method or substitution method. I can say from 1 I can make p the subject. From 1, p equals 5 minus r. I can call this is equation 3. Then I can say put equation 3, put 3 in 2. I can say put 3 in 2. So can we put equation 3 in 2? How do you put that? Is 8p minus 9r equals 23. But we know our p is already 5 minus r. So this is going to be 8 into 5 minus r minus 9r equals 23. Can we try to open the brackets? 8 times that we get 40 minus this times this minus 8r, again minus 9r equals 23. So we take this one in the other side. We have remained with this minus this. 8 minus 9, we get minus 17r equals 23 minus 40. So negative 17r equals negative 17. What is r on? R equals 1. After getting r equals 1, then you can substitute in an equation. I can substitute in equation 3 or in 1. You can say in 3, we have got p equals 5 minus r. Our r is already 1. We will say p equals 5 minus 1. Our p equals 4. After getting those scenarios, we have already got the value of P and R. But we said our P was equal to 2 power X. So can we substitute in that? Because the question was saying solve the simultaneous what? Equations. And those equations were given in form of X and Y. That means they want us to get the values of X and Y. So what we're going to do is this. We said but 2 power X was equal to P. And remember my P is already 4. I will say 2 power X equals 4. Is there a number which can I break and I get a 4? Which can I break? That is 2 power 2. Very good. 2 power X equals 2 power 2. Since the bases are the same, we just equate the powers. So therefore X equals 2. And we also say that 3 power Y was equal to Y. And 3 power Y was equal to R. Now, our R is already 1. So this is the same as 3 power Y equals 1. Which number can you square and come out with 1? That means it's already 3 powers, because any number power 0 is the same as 1, which we already proved. So 3 power Y equals 3 power 0. So since the bases are the same, still equate the powers. Therefore, Y equals 0. Can you conclude and say therefore X equals 2 and Y equals 0? That's how we can solve those simultaneous equations from those index format of the numbers. That's how we can solve those ones. Before we proceed to another one, when the number comes and you are seeing that there is an element of indices, the laws of indices, go back and ask yourself which law or which rule do they apply. If it is division, that means it came from the subtraction. If it is addition, it means it came from the multiplication side of that. So if you had not applied that one, automatically you cannot come out with such kind of a number. So I call upon that if I proceed on to another thing, always develop that concept in you.